with us today. Look at that tag team. Over the back in the Hippodrome stand. Say hello to the Riata Ranch Cowboy Girls. Boy, look at this. Boy, quick, smooth spin, split the neck, down on the ground, and whoa! Backwards. Oh, here comes Ava again. Here's the Stroud layout. There's the Swan. That's Bailey Gable from Colorado.
Ito yung pinaka-the best na napanood ko. Grabe, talaga ang galing. Ang galing-galing niya talaga. Kita niyo naman guys, o diba?
Those LSU Tigers are roaring loud today.
Super galing, kababaeng tao, diba nagawa niya yung ganito? Dapat lalaki ang gumagawa, pero talagang pinatunayan niya na kayang-kaya din niya. Diba guys?
What trick is that, Kyle? Yeah, I don't know. How about we salute the Riata Ranch ladies one more time today? Hey, one thing about it, we're proud of the red, white, and blue here in Cheyenne. Thank you to the Riata Ranch Cowboy Girls for bringing them.
Yan, guys, napanood niyo din, diba? Pati kayo napahanga sa kanya. As in, super galing talaga niya. As in, ako hangang-hanga talaga ako sa kanya nung napanood ko to. Kaya ko to ginawa ng reaction video. Kasi, talagang nakaka-proud. Babae siya pero nagawa niya yun, diba guys? Kaya, ayan. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys. Please, support my YouTube channel. Ayan. Thank you guys.